who's seen hockey evolve over the years, how much does your involvement with SG Pipers and of course HIL mean to you?
See, I was part of all the hockey leagues, Premier Hockey League, Hockey Indian League, first edition, now it's in second edition. But the third one is in a different role because my playing career is over. Now I think players need to change into different roles. Some become coaches, some become commentators, some become expertise, and now I think I am in everywhere. I took up this challenge as a director, and when it comes to Hockey Indian League 2024, it's going to be a good start because back-to-back bronze medal is giving more color to this Hockey Indian League, and a lot of franchises are coming up. Especially you can see this APL Apollo. Definitely they come up with SC Pipers Delhi. And we got a very good team here as a coaching staff and the supporting staff base. And now we are just waiting for the Hockey India to announce the players list so that we can prepare for the players as well.
Last time we met, Srijesh, you said I'm the best. If you want me to retire, come and replace me. What changed?
See,
you're still the best.
See, sometimes the players need to take mature decisions in their life. And I believe, and everyone believe that I took the wise decision during this Paris Olympics, and I'm so happy with that. And still, when you people says that okay, Sri, you are the best, you need to come back, I think that's making sure that okay, my decision was at the right time. But still, I believe that this is the challenge which you people are throwing to the next goalkeepers like Patak or Suraj itself. Is going to help them a lot, and because when the goalkeeping level is too high, they're also intend to work really hard to reach there, or maybe playing better than me in the upcoming tournament. So I hope that I done my part as a player. Now it's a time to take different roles.
And finally, how intensive is your involvement going to be on the field with SG Pipers?
Say on and off the field, I am going to be there as a supporting system, like a brand ambassador, to an assistant coach, to a mentor, to a supporter, to a bhai, to a whatever role you are asking me. I am ready to do that because hockey is my life, and I am just trying to do everything which help the game to grow.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
रचना जी, धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने के लिए। सबसे पहले यही पूछना चाहूँगी, 7 साल बाद शुरुआत हुई है फिर से HIL की, तो कितना ये बैक टू बैक जो ब्रॉन्ज मेडल्स आए हैं, इसका कितना प्रभाव रहा है HIL पे?
देखिए, बहुत बड़ा प्रभाव रहा है बैक टू बैक मेडल आना। एक तो हॉकी के प्रति लोगों का विश्वास जागरूक हुआ, नहीं हॉकी अब अच्छा कर रहा है। ये मेडल तो चलिए कलर कुछ और होता है, अब उसकी चर्चा अब वो पूरे हिंदुस्तान जानता है, मगर ये है कि आने वाला समय में ये HIL के चलते HIL जो लीग चालू होगा उसके लिए हमारे हिंदुस्तान के महिला और पुरुष दोनों खिलाड़ियों के लिए बहुत ही शानदार और सुनहरा दिन आने वाला है। मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत से खिलाड़ी ऐसे हैं जिनको हम जानते भी नहीं हैं, देखे भी नहीं हैं, और वैसे खिलाड़ी अगर निकल के सामने आएंगे तो जो सीनियर प्लेयर हैं, जो कोर ग्रुप हिंदुस्तान का है, जो अपने आप को समझ रहे हैं कि मैं हिंदुस्तान टीम में मेरी जगह पक्की है, वैसे लोगों के लिए आने के लिए ये HIL खतरे की घंटी साबित होगा। ये मैं बहुत साफ शब्दों में बताना चाहता हूँ। जिस तरह से क्रिकेट में हुआ था उसका उदाहरण मैं देता हूँ। क्रिकेट में ऐसे ऐसे बच्चे सामने नज़र आए, ऐसे ऐसे नए बच्चे निकल के आए जो मेन टीम में थे, उनकी जगह हिल गई। तो उसी तरह से मुझे पूर्ण उम्मीद है कि हॉकी में भी वही होने वाला है।
बिल्कुल, और आपने ग्रास रूट की काफ़ी बात की है, कितना डेडिकेटेड है HIL ग्रास रूट डेवलपमेंट को लेके, और आपका पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? देखिए,
1 साल में ग्रास रूट पर बहुत हम काम किए हैं। हॉकी इंडिया हर एक जगह जितने भी है, जोनल लेवल से या डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर जहाँ भी हो, बहुत से टूर्नामेंट आयोजित किए हैं। जितने भी हमारे क्लब हैं, जितने भी हमारे अकादमी हैं, जितने भी हमारे स्टेट हैं, सभी जगह हम लोग ट्रेनर को भेजे हैं, अच्छे अच्छे ट्रेनर को भेजे हैं कि वहाँ के जो बच्चे हैं उन लोग को ट्रेनिंग कराओ। जो भी एकदम सुदूर इलाके में जहाँ से बच्चे निकल के आ रहे थे, उस से जगह पर हम लोग किए हैं। तो मुझे पूर्ण उम्मीद है कि ग्रास रूट जो प्रोग्राम है वो एक तो बहुत अच्छा सक्सेस हुआ है, और बहुत से उस ग्रास रूट प्रोग्राम के चलते बच्चे आपको HIL में भी देखने को मिलेंगे।
और फाइनली क्या कदम लिए जा रहे हैं कि HIL लंबे से लंबे टाइम तक चलता रहे?
बहुत सोच समझ कर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। बहुत, अगर शुद्ध हिंदी में पूछें तो बहुत फूक फूक के कदम हम लोग रख रहे हैं, इसलिए कि इस HIL को हम लोग को लंबा चलाना है।
बिल्कुल, धन्यवाद राहुल. First of all, talk about your vision for HIL and what are you looking forward to?
I think I'm looking forward to some lovely hockey to begin with. With everything, Gargi, you've known Shachi Sports has been getting into a lot of sports, including supporting our para-athletes, medallion sports, and our Mohammedan club or our cricket franchise or the racing franchise. I think in every business or any sports I do, I think the idea is to first enjoy the sport. I think it's a great equalizer, and there is a lot of self-satisfaction and tremendous amount of humility that one gets. So I think there is a lot of personal growth for me. Having said that, we all will make teams and efforts to win the franchise or the tournament, but we also want to focus on grassroots development. We just don't want to bring the stars in and want to win. We want to focus on a long-term plan. So that's the strategy we want to do, and that's the vision. And like everything else, we will be soon announcing the launch of our athlete hockey, like cricket, football in the past, and tennis very soon, or our physical education program. Hockey will be next in line. We've been working with East Bengal Hockey back in the state of West Bengal, where we participate in the local leagues. I have been invited to join Bengal Hockey as a vice president. So a lot of things coming up in hockey.
Absolutely, and Rahul will have both men's and women's team.
Absolutely, so, for everything, we've been very inclusive. Wherever there is an opportunity for women, we will be involved in that. We will also be focusing on women training as much as we are doing on men's. We are sponsors of the East Bengal women's team, as you are aware. Even in Pro T20 League, we have a women's team. So focus will be on inclusivity, and of course women is there.
And what's your personal objective?
Personal objective, look, India is a growing economy. Its sports ecosystem is developing. So yes, money making, return on investment for our shareholders and stakeholders is critical. And just be part of the Indian growth story. We will be doing a lot of sports infrastructure business, which relates very well with our real estate vision. So, we continue in this India movement where we want to bid for the 2036 Olympics, be part of that vision.
Okay, thank you so much.
Mahesh, first of all, right off the bat, I'd like to ask you, you talk a lot about grassroots development, and it is important for every sport. How are you planning to, with Delhi SG Pipers, bring in that development at the grassroots level?
Well, we're building a sports franchise, and part of building a sports franchise includes grassroots development. Obviously, it has to act as a feeder system. Like I said, we're committed to hockey long term, so we will definitely build out that grassroots aspect of it, and when the time is right, we'll announce it.
And about the women's team, this is, like you spoke about earlier as well, this is the right time to get into women's sport. What are your personal objectives when it comes to the women's team?
I mean, there's no personal objective. I believe that women's sport is on a amazing upward trajectory in India, and in the future it's going to continue that way. And for us, actually, if we were only given a choice of one team, we would have probably picked the women's team, but we luckily got both. And yeah, we really believe in that story, and we'll stick to it.
And how did the planning of coming into HIL start, and how did it all get?
We've been hearing about this for a couple of years now, and we've always, we always put our hat in the ring early. Obviously, a lot of owners in the fray, but we were keen on Delhi. Obviously, now that we have Srijesh part of our team, I think a lot of load is off my head, and he'll be able to do what's needed to build this franchise.
And any particular players you're looking at, eyeing at to get into your
like I said, that I'm definitely staying out of that part of it. The Srijesh and the coaching staff will make us proud of the auction.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Mahesh.